Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to go grocery shopping in English. Whether you're shopping for food in a supermarket or a local store, knowing the right phrases can make the process much easier and faster. Let's go over some useful expressions and tips that will help you navigate the grocery store and get what you need. Let's get started. Step 1. Asking for help finding items when you can't find something in the store. Don't be afraid to ask. Here are some simple phrases you can use. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Do you know where the bread is? Can you help me find a rice? These phrases are perfect for asking employees or other shoppers when you need help locating items. Step 2. Asking about prices and sales. If you want to ask about the price or if something is on sale, use these phrases. How much is this? Is this on sale? What's the price of these apples? This is helpful when you want to make sure you're getting a good deal. Step 3. Choosing quantities and weights when buying fruits, vegetables, or meats. You may need to talk about quantity or weight. Here's how to ask for specific amounts. Can I have a kilo of tomatoes, please? I'd like 2 pounds of chicken, please. Can I get half a dozen eggs? These phrases will help you when shopping for items that are sold by weight or quantity. Step 4. Asking about payment methods when you're ready to pay. You may want to ask about the payment options. Use these phrases. Can I pay by credit card? Do you accept cash? Is contactless payment available? This ensures that you're prepared when you reach the checkout. Step 5. Checking out and saying goodbye when you finish shopping. You can use these polite phrases to wrap up your experience at the checkout. That'll be all. Thank you. Can I get a receipt, please?
Thank you.
Have a nice day. These phrases are simple but important for being polite and friendly during checkout. Step 6. Asking about bags in some stores. You may need to ask for a bag or bring your own. Here's how to ask. Can I have a bag, please? Do you charge for bags? I brought my own bag. Knowing this will make your shopping experience easier, especially in eco-friendly stores. Quick review. How to go grocery shopping in English. Asking for help. Where can I find the milk? Asking about prices and sales. How much is this? Is this on sale? Choosing quantities and weights. Can I have a kilo of tomatoes? Asking about payment methods. Can I pay by credit card? Checking out politely. Can I get a receipt, please? Asking about bags. Can I have a bag, please? With these simple phrases, you'll be able to go grocery shopping in English with confidence. Whether you're asking for help, checking out, or buying fresh produce, these key phrases will help make your shopping trip smoother and easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!